Hi, my name is Pilar Aguado and I am one of the owners of Meus, a company based in Valencia in Spain, and we are dedicated to create different training methods and contents for developing skills in the different target groups of people. And distinct between beneficiaries, stakeholders, and clients. In our case, we are dedicated to European projects, so our clients are the national agencies that publish the different calls for Erasmus Plus in their countries. Our stakeholder will be the different partners that we collaborate when we develop the project and the content, and our beneficiaries is the real target group that the project is looking for instance, youth, students, adults, and so on.